Dr Mukul sangma ubade nong ilam ka TMC hapo ka jylla Meghalaya halo ka rai jong ka kanhon menteri sarkar ban bono da nyutli ki border outpost hakitai khapot badan ka jingi ka japut ulapan pau ba tangi ki badan lupa ka nik sarkar kamla ban pandap balalai thli ki post bat kan yo brio nangnu ban bu hakita ki BOP halor kani nakalyang Dr Mukul sangma ulapan remjur ya kanik sarkar MDA ka bal pynduh ya ka hok jong ki samla wat kam ki bakwa ban longkum ki pulit officer ka jylla handrei ka supensa khongreng namar bakim kwa ban penkam mi ki marpo khndo nak banta ban siu tulop iki hagaju apo Dr Mukul lapan pauru baki pulit special force 10 ki bala thau kerpang nak banta ban te lakam hakabaide baki kampentrim jong kilano penban yaki lara bat penankam shawai.
When you are talking about police outposts or upgrading any existing establishment, won't you require manpower? Won't you require manpower? The government has deliberately deprived the youth who wanted to be part of this, proud police organization of the state. There are hundreds of thousands of youth who have applied for the vacancies when the advertisement for recruitment has taken place. Which year? And which vacancies you are talking about? The vacancies which have cropped up in 2016, 17, 17, 18. Today, all those vacancies are not filled up. What is the manpower? Where is the manpower? Do you have the manpower? It's an eyewash. Where will you have the manpower? The government has deliberately left these vacancies have left these vacancies vacant. Why? They don't want to utilize the public resources which are meant for paying the salary for all those jobs which were created in the past years by the preceding government. I'm sorry. This is a complete deprivation of the youth who are waiting eagerly with so much of patience and hope for the jobs. I condemn the attitude of the government for depriving our youth. They continue to do so. Please look at these problems. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Therefore, you have a big challenge before us. These challenges because of the mess that has been created by the incumbent present government. Resolved not to fill up these posts and deprive the youth. Now, all these vacancies in the DEF were filled up by transferring the men of the organization from SF10. SF10. You just see and ask the present existing current strength of SF10. The SF10 battalion which was created with a clear-cut intent, with a clear-cut purpose, with investment, so much of investment from scarce resources of the state. They have shifted these men of this organization who were designated to be in this SF10, a special force 10, who were trained for a special purpose. In the special force 10, you have the commandos to deal with any challenge pertaining to militancy, terrorism, etc., etc. And also the rangers, we call them, to deal with any kind of instance of civil unrest. They are trained. They are trained by using the scarce resources of the government because the state needs it. What have they done? They have transferred all these people to different units. So this is the outcome of the government's deliberate intent of depriving the youth because they want to divert this money which is available for the salaries of the youth for something else to satisfy their ever-swelling greed.